Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in today's quick video I will show you how you can make some extra cash online with one free application that is currently working on iOS and Android devices for doing some super simple tasks. So stay tuned for that. But guys, before we can start, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel because right now I am uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that teaches exactly how to make money online, how you guys can work from home, and how you guys can become an entrepreneur. So guys, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and don't forget to push the notification bell because you will be notified whenever I upload the videos, and that was pretty much every day guys. And guys, if you find out any value out of this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if I have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you want to learn how to generate full-time passive income right at working from home, so this is what I am doing. So click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about the system guys. The people who gone through this system guys now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. Okay, so let's jump into this video. So the app that I'm gonna talk about today guys is called QuickThought. So you can take survey and earn gift cash rewards. Now I'm not big fan of these survey apps guys or website, but with QuickThoughts it's a little bit different because QuickThought it's not only a survey site but it's like a supermarket. So because it's gather a lot of service from a lot of many different websites from all around the internet. So here you find a lot of service that you can complete and for that get paid. And a good thing about that, they will choose you depending on your demographic guys, so where you live, and another important statistics of you in many services website. So basically all the services from top tier countries like Australia, United States, Canada and United Kingdom and other country, so that is top tier. But with this website, if you you can participate in those services, and if you not been accepted just for completing that survey, you will be get 10 cents. So super cool because you can be basically all the people from around the world can make a little bit of money even if they're not being accepted into those services. So typically QuickThoughts will pay you from one survey from 50 cents to $3, and those services will take you around from 5 minutes to 20 minutes to complete. And also you can see here minimum threshold amount of money that you can cash out is $10, and you can do that through Amazon gift card. And as I said in the beginning of this video, QuickThought is like a service marketplace guys. So you can see paid service from over 1000 sources and you can earn reward from your opinion, and it's paid service for everyone. So surveys are available of dozens of topics for almost every audience, and surveys are always available on your Android phone no matter where you are from. And guys, you must be have at least 18 years old or not. If you're not available in all countries, so they can accept people from many different countries but not in all, so keep that in mind. So guys, go ahead and sign up. So with this app you can make money just for completing surveys, and if you're not accepted, you can also participate in the survey and earn 10 cents just for doing that. So I think it's super cool because not a lot of website can do that. And this application is, you can see over here, it got 4.1 reviews out of 5. So people will install into their Android phones over millions of times, and on iTunes. So this application is also available in iTunes, and you can find out more details here. They got pretty good rating, 4.1 out of 5 star. So guys, go ahead and install this app. If you want to make some pocket money just for completing survey, you can go QuickThoughts, download this application, sign up and start doing surveys and get paid. But guys, at last you're not making that much money. You can make some money with this but not that much. So what if I tell you there is an easy way you can start? So if you want to learn more, about how I generate income online, so click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information about that system. Guys, the people who gone through the system are now generating their first sale online, so it's definitely worth your time to check it out. So go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video and I will share with you more information. So guys, that's it for today's video. If you like my video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have any question regarding this video, feel free to comment below and I try to answer them all. And guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, make sure you do, because right now I'm uploading videos on pretty much consistent basis that provide you tremendous amount of value. So go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much guys for watching my video. Have a nice day.